a warm good morning to my respected judges, participants, and the fellow participant present here. My name is Shreyas Chand Sakha, representing Babylon National School from grade 6.
My name is Samita Wan. My name is Shreyas.
We are going to present our new app called the Expenses Tracker. So what is an expenses tracker? An expenses tracker is a tool or application that helps us organize and manage our daily expenses and income. So what are the objectives of the expenses tracker? So what we have created to help users monitor the daily expenses, to help financial management, and to improve a simple and a user-friendly interface for our tracking system.
Tools and platform used. We use MIT App Inventor to create our project. It is to create our project because it is easy to work, because it is easy to use and works with block-based coding. We also use Blogger to create our website. Features of Expense Tracker. It has also user-friendly interface. It has also data storage, so the user will not lose their data, and it is also easy to track expenses. Live demo of our project. Now we are going to show our project.
So judges, will you like to test our app? So this is an expenses tracker which we have put and created an account for a new users, a sign-in account for the old users. We have already used our app, and a guest users which want to test or just try the app for fun. We also added the website to impress the judges. So there's the created account. So you can see here, but why you cannot see here? Because of the security reasons we have added. So we can just add a username like a dog and a password 1234. You are not a robot, and login. So this is the interface. So let's add an item like book, and the price of the book is 150, and the date, I just bought it today. So date. Now submit. It shows the data on the bottom of the screen, which we can see easily our data. For example, if you close this app and again open the app, the data will be stored here, so you don't have to worry about re-entering your data all over again. So there's another option called the use as a guest. So it will show a warning first, because the data will be not saved in our database, but it will just work as usual. So let's hit confirm, and just like that, it's just a normal one. But the different feature is that in the sign-in option, this will store in our database, but in the guest account, this will not be stored in the database. So that is one different reason. And you have seen the previous slide, we use Blogger for the website. So yeah, we use the website. So this is our app. This is our website. We have added how to use the expenses tracker and the screenshot of our previous model. So like that, do you want to try it by using all the features? Oh, and one more thing, we can also remove the titles, or we can also remove the data that you have just added in our database. Yes, but just by clicking it and just clicking it. So here are the code for our expenses tracker. for the database. Database is this is the code for the database. TinyDB. Present. So when you see the screen initialize,
At first, when the screen is open, that means screen initialized, and TinyDBI is used for a permanent storage. And this list activates is to create the list, as you can see now. It's creating the list, and it is a global expense. We have created a block using this, and there is create an empty list at first. When you haven't entered the data, you just create an empty list. Then after you add data, it will itself automatically add the data that you have entered here, and it will slow down the list. And it is a total cost. It will show the price of the item, and it will add the item as you enter more items. And there is also the number of items. It will show how many numbers of items you have entered.
we could not find the rupees dollar sign, so we just put the pound sign.
Importance of expense tracker. This expense tracker helps to control unnecessary spending, helps in budgeting, saving money. It shows the clear income and expense record on user. Expense tracker is demonstrate how simple tools like MITM can be used to create a useful real-world application, and this project promotes the financial awareness.
मेरो कोडिङ क्लास तयारी भविष्यको